Now I'm going to show you how to add margarine to it and to make it more flaky. This is how you make a flaky dough by, as you're going to see, by layering it out and putting margarine on top and folding it up. So we're going to put the dough on a baking sheet, and now I'm going to roll it down. And add, I cut the 200-gram margarine, I cut it in half, and I'm gonna now just spread it on the dough. After doing that, I'm gonna fold up the dough, but it's important that the margarine will get spread up nice on this dough right now. Okay. Now we're gonna take the dough and cut it and fold it in half. And we're gonna roll it again. Turn a bit easier. The rolling pin became a little bit sticky, so I'm gonna put a little bit of flour on it. And then we're going to continue flattening it.